Presenting the Acer Aspire 3 Intel Core i3 11th generation 15.6 inch. It comes with 4GB DDR4 memory, expandable to 12GB and 256GB SSD, and supports up to 2 TB HDD to store your files and media. It features enhanced video calls and optimized camera and microphones. It also features Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 and 1 USB 2.0, and latest information with a full range of connectivity options. The delivery box contains laptop and power adapter, user guide and warranty documents. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.